In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import or add customers and vendors in Zoho Books, a process that can streamline your accounting tasks and save you valuable time. Let's get started by opening up a web browser and heading over to the Zoho Books website. You can easily find it by entering www.zoho.com/books into your browser's address bar. Once you're at the Zoho Books homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have a Zoho account, you'll need to create one. However, if you do, simply enter your credentials to log in. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books dashboard, a hub for managing all your financial information within the platform. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Look for and click on Sales. This section is where you'll be able to manage everything related to your sales transactions, including customers and vendors. Once you're in the sales section, another item labeled Customers will appear on the menu. Click on Customers to view the customer management options available to you. Once you've navigated to the Customers page, you will see a New button. It's usually located near the top of the interface. Give that button a click to initiate the process of adding a new customer. At this point, a new submenu will appear, and you need to select Customers from the options provided. This choice specifies that you're adding a customer rather than a vendor or another type of contact. In the next step, look for an icon with 3 dots. This is typically a More Options icon and is often found near the top right of your current window. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear containing several options. One of these options will be Import Customers. Select this as it allows you to bring in existing customer data from other files, making it convenient to transfer large amounts of data without having to enter each customer's details manually. Once you've clicked on Import Customers, you'll be guided through the process of uploading your existing customer file. Ensure your file is in the correct format as required by Zoho Books, usually CSV or Excel format. Follow the prompts and within just a few moments your customers will be successfully imported into the system. And there you have it. You can now add or import customers and vendors into Zoho Books, making your bookkeeping experience more efficient and organized. Remember that practice makes perfect. So the more you use these tools, the more seamless your accounting process will become. If you encounter any issues, Zoho's support resources are a great place to look for help. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.